So I just posted a video yesterday about backing in and having to back into a space and there's no way out. So you see that it's a dead end. Dude, I don't have a lot of space, so I'm gonna have to use the grass. I'm gonna have to use the grass with this one. Up. Nothing too crazy. Nice and easy peasy. You give it some gas. Go all the way down the street. Saw a comment that said it's not rocket science. It's not rocket science. Like it's easy. Now I didn't mention the other video that I made. I pulled in forward and then I backed out. In this case, you can't do that, because up the street I had no space to actually make that turn, so I had to drive on the grass and come back out. In this case scenario, you want to back in. You definitely want to back in and then drive yourself back out. So that's just a little tip for you. You do not want to drive in forward in this street and then try and back out with all those cars and poles and wires. That's not a good look. Then you'll hit some and you're gonna be out of that job.